Hi guys, welcome to Share Vision channel. Today I'm going to explain about the 6 stocks which will be useful for a swing trading purpose. So don't try to intraday, only for swing trading and long term short term. So these stocks are giving a buy signal, so that I'm taking a technical analysis of these stocks. So let's watch it till the end. Then only you get the ideas. And also I'm not a SEBI registered person. This video only for my knowledge sharing and experience for your educational purpose. So please subscribe our channel and support to me and press the like button if really useful for this video. Let's go now directly. So analysis. The first analysis I'm taking a IGPL, IGP Petrochemical. So see IGP Petrochemical today it closed at 486.70. So it may after breakout this candle you can try to enter 503. So 503 or 504 you can enter at 504. So your correct entry point is 504, then it will be go up to 559. So first target you can fix at 559 or 560 is your target. If further breakout, then it will go up to, if you are a long term trader, you can use this opportunity up to 801. So 800 or approximately 800. So this stock will be useful for a long term trader as well as swing trading trader. You can use for 560 level. Then further breakout you can watch it and take your again opportunity. So see here the volume also increased today. So tomorrow you can watch it, add it to your portfolio, then you can mingle with your idea, then only you can get some correct picture for this. So next stock, Sumitamo chemical. So Sumitamo chemical also at present is a good buying opportunity. See here this traveling in this trend line but could not able to break out. So this is the chance to going upward direction. So if you want to enter tomorrow also you can enter at this price level 316 370 318, and this will be go up to 342 for a swing trading purpose. So wait up to 1 week, it will be take a before June 20, before June 2nd it will touch 342.45. so if you are a swing trader you can use this opportunity, and as well as if you are a long term trader you can wait up to 380. So this stock will be go up to 380 if further breakout this trend line. So use these stocks for if you are long term trader you can wait up to 400 or 380. This opportunity you can use it. So let's go now next stock. Kavery seeds. So Kavery seeds, so far I already uploaded one video related to Kavery seeds. When I was told your correct entry point is here, when the breakout happening here, this point, after that, when this pressure zone breakout, it get a good profit. But if you so no problem, now also you can get an opportunity. So as of now the opportunity is in our hand. So 770 is the current market price is 770, 768. So you can enter at 770, then you can get a profit of 897. So this stock will be up to movers 150 points, around 150 points. If you are a swing trading person you can use this opportunity. So Kavery Seeds is a debit free company also, and also if you are a long term trader you can use it. This stock wait for 1020. So target is 1020 for long term trader. Swing trading you can use it for 829 and second target 897. So this stock you can add it to your portfolio and watch it regular, then use it for a good profit. Next, Tamilnadu petro. See guys, this stock also I already explained in my previous video. If you did not watch, please watch it, my playlist in our video. So this also trading in a trend line. It will not break out. So far it is going up. See here, volumes are day to day basis, it is rising, not reduced, so that you can use it this stock for opportunity. So if your entry point is 93 or 92, you can entry here. You can wait for first target 100 rupees or 101. You can swing trader, you can use it for this opportunity. Or if you are a short term trader, you can use it to 120 level. So this stock may go up to 120. You can keep your stop loss at 84 rupees. So use it. And the stock will be earning date is June 20. So June 2nd. So June 2nd, before that it will be touch up to 120. So you can add it to your portfolio and watch it. The stock definitely you can give the good buying opportunity for you. So add it to your portfolio and command your suggestion also. Then Shalimar paint. Shalimar paint also opportunity is happening. See here, already this trend line, the designing triangle pattern has happened. Even though it has been a breakout given at this price level, so 90 rupees, 91 rupees. So it has been breakout given at yesterday, and now it will be go for above the 92 level. So current market price is 94.50. You can enter at this price level, no issue. So this stock will be definitely go to 114. So if you are a short term trader, you can use it this stock for 114. So 20 rupees you can easily earn this stock. If further breakout, it will go up to 130 level. So up to here. If further breakout this horizontal line, sub resistance line, so you can add it to your portfolio, the Shalimar paint. So nowadays paint companies are booming up, especially Asian Paint, Berger Paint. So I am taking this Shalimar for small traders, because of they are trying to small money amount, so that I am taking this Shalimar paints. So this stock also giving us some opportunity. So use it. Definitely you can get some profit. Next stock, KRBL. So KRBL also having some opportunity. So if further breakout, then only you can enter. Until that, don't enter. Here it will be breakout, will give uh, 2 226 at present current market prices. Now it will break out at this point of level 240. Until that, wait. So after breakout this trend line, that means this resistance line, then only you can enter. Until that, wait and watch it, monitor. It will go up to 300 level. So if you are a swing trader, you can watch it this regular basis. Then definitely you can get the opportunity for this stock. And if you are a long term trader, you can wait for 340. So first target is 300 for swing traders. Long term traders 340. So add it to your portfolio and watch it. So this stock earning date is June 2nd. So until that, you can monitor continuously. Definitely you get the opportunity for these stocks. Okay, that's all guys. I hope this video is useful for you and enjoy this video. Don't forget to press the like button and subscribe our channel and support me. Day-to-day basis I am giving this kind of stock analysis. Thank you for watching. Thank you.